Hello friends, welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be on the charging cable. So my charging cable was damaged. If you see here, we see it's damaged on one corner. This is a common issue with many OnePlus, Realme or OPPO phones. I initially bought a replacement cable from Amazon, but it didn't support VOOC or SuperVOOC charging as expected. Let me just show that to you. This was the one that I bought from Amazon. It says the brand Embrain. So though it said it supports fast charging or SuperVOOC, it didn't support the fast charging. And another issue that I saw was when I tried connecting this cable to the computer to transfer a few of my files, it was not getting detected and it used to stay in the charging mode by default. So again I ordered another cable from the online. So this time it was from this brand called Helkin. It said all the fancy names with the fancy titles, #1 customer's choice. It also said it's made for OnePlus charging cable, VOOC charging and all other fancy stuffs. But when I tried connecting to my phone, it didn't support the fast charging or SuperVOOC charging. And this was the cable which came in with Helkin. So you can see a collection of cables in my home now. This was the damaged one, the original from OnePlus, and later on I got one from Embrain, and post that I got one from the Helkin. All of these were from online. And even with the newer ones that I bought online, the issue that I noticed was that when I tried using the cable to transfer files from my PC, the phone wasn't getting detected at all. Before we go any further, let's understand what are the fast charging technologies that we have today. So there are a few types where SuperVOOC, VAP charging, dash charging and normal charging in OnePlus, OPPO or Realme devices. These are all fast charging technologies with some overlaps because of the shared parent company or BBK Electronics. SuperVOOC stands for Super Voltage Open Loop Multi-Step Constant Current Charging. It is OPPO's proprietary fast charging technology, and it's an advanced version of the original VOOC or the Voltage Open Loop Multi-Step Constant Current Charging. Let's do a further breakdown of the name SuperVOOC. Super indicates it's a more powerful, faster version of VOOC. Voltage open loop, a method to control voltage precisely. Multi-step constant current uses multiple steps with constant current flow to optimize charging speed and reduce heat. Highlights of SuperVOOC: it supports very high charging speeds up to 80 watt, 100 watt or even 150 watt plus. It depends on the phone model. It uses dual cell battery design to split the load and charge faster. Heat is managed primarily in the charger, not on the phone, keeping the phone cooler. It was first introduced with OPPO Find X with the SuperVOOC 50 watt, now used in OPPO, OnePlus, Realme devices. Fast charging depends on both the cable and the internal circuitry or the integrated circuit, which is also called IC on the phone, along with the charger. Here is how they work together. So high quality cables are required to support fast charging standards like VOOC charge, dash, SuperVOOC, etc. These cables are specially designed to carry higher current safely, for example 5V 6A in SuperVOOC. A regular cable may limit the power flow, leading to slow charging even with a fast charger and a compatible phone. Now fast charging cables also have extra data pins for communication between the charger and the phone. Charger or the adapter. The charger must support the fast charging protocol, example 65 watts SuperVOOC, 30 watt warp charge. Even with a good cable and compatible phone, using a basic 10 watt charger will result in normal charging. Phone's charging IC or the integrated circuit. The phone must support the fast charging protocol. It includes both hardware and software. The charging IC inside the phone manages voltage and current regulation, battery protection, and thermal control. Even if you use a SuperVOOC charger and cable, if the phone only supports 18 watt fast charging, it will only charge at 18 watt. Fast charging works when all three match, so cable, charger and phone IC. All of these should match for the fast charging to work smoothly. Here is a comparison of SuperVOOC, warp charging, dash charging and normal charging in OnePlus and OPPO or Realme devices. SuperVOOC charging, brand origin OPPO, used in OPPO, Realme and sometimes OnePlus. Its power output is up to 80 watt to 150 watt plus. Its charging speed takes from 0 to 100% in 15 to 30 minutes. It uses a technology of dual cell battery design for safety and speed. Heat management is excellent. Charger handles most heat outside the phone. It's used in OnePlus, found in newer models like OnePlus 10R, 11R, etc. Warp charging, brand origin OnePlus, power output 30 watt to 65 watt plus, charging speed 0 to 100% in 30 to 40 minutes. Technology is the successor of dash charge, voltage or current tweaks for more power. Heat management, heat remains low in the device, charger handles the heat. Real world example OnePlus 8T and newer flagships. Dash charging, brand origin OnePlus, based on OPPO's VOOC, power output 20 watt, 5 volts or 4 amps. Charging speed approximately to reach 60%, it takes 30 minutes. Technology VOOC based, focuses on high current instead of high voltage. Heat management is very good, keeps phone cool while charging. It's used in legacy phones like OnePlus 3T, OnePlus 5, OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6T. Normal charging or standard USB charging, brand origin universal, power output 5 watt to 10 watt typically. Charging speed 0 to 100% takes 1.5 to 2.5 hours. Technology standard USB charging, 5 volts 2 amps maximum. Heat management, minimal control or optimization. Use case very slow compared to fast charging technologies.
OnePlus stopped using dash branding due to a trademark issue in the EU. VOOC and SuperVOOC now dominate newer models. All fast charging needs the original cable and adapter for optimal performance. Battery life is not significantly affected by these fast charging technologies due to smart heat management.
So after having disappointment with multiple cables getting failed once, I decided to visit a local shop taking my original charging adapter along with me. So this is the original charging adapter which says VOOC Charge 65. It shows the specifications as well. It says max for VOOC Charge 65. So I got this one which says New Republic Power Unleashed Blaze Hypersonic. So here it says USB A to Type C. It said fast charging compatible data sync. Data sync was the main thing that I also wanted to transfer a few files. So it gives all the specifications. And if you see here, the amount says $9.99. The initial ones that I bought online were just for 200 or 250 bucks, but this was a bit more than what I bought initially. And later on, shopkeeper also confirmed that this is the one which supports SuperVOOC and also has the capacity of transferring files from laptop to the mobile phone and vice versa. My main aim was to have it tested there and later on bring only if it supports the SuperVOOC charging. So I tested a compatible cable. This was the cable that I got from the New Republic which says Blaze Hypersonic. So I tested this cable and verified that SuperVOOC charging work correctly in front of the shopkeeper. Now with this new cable I can also transfer files without any issues when connected to the PC. So I would suggest if you have a similar issue where your existing cable is damaged, I would suggest you take this adapter and go to a nearby shop, have the cable verified in front of the shopkeeper and buy it only if it supports fast charging or SuperVOOC charging. The main difference lies in the charging time. If it doesn't support VOOC or SuperVOOC charging, it would take like more than 2 hours. If it supports SuperVOOC or the VOOC charging, it just takes 15 to 20 minutes. I am using OnePlus 9 RT and I am satisfied with the newer purchase. If you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to never ever miss any of the crazy notifications. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.